Nothing. Of course, this will not happen again, you know, for sure, because I think how I see yesterday from the guys who come to practice, we practiced 2 good practices, you know, and I think the players understand we didn't play good, so we push ourselves yesterday, and I think this is the moment of the season when everybody need to put one more step, you know, because or we win everybody or we lose everybody. And I think if we put one more step, everybody, also the coaches, the players, you know, I think we can make still good season, you know. And if we practice like we practiced yesterday, the luck what we didn't have in the first round, when we lose like 6-7 games at the end, will be with us in second round, and these games what we lose at the end we will win for sure. Yeah, we have 5 victories, but I think we need to go back game by game. Now till the break we have 4 games, so we need to play these 4 games to try to win all. Okay, maybe 3, you know, from the and after, you know, after the break again to be concentrate, because the first break didn't help us, you know. After the first break with like, you know, we didn't play good, because also Sergi Gary get injured. Okay, we have these things, but okay, you can't, you know, say with these things you need to play what you have. And how I say, I have a lot of experience in some teams also when we have bad moment, but always if the team go closer, you know, go to dinner sometimes together, you know, to spend more time together, you know, it helps a lot, and usually it's help, you know. And we will try to do experienced players to solve this problem, to put everybody together and practice good, and you know, and to play good games. Yeah, we understand when this game is very, very important, you know, because maybe with this game we can change if we win the season like in a very good way, you know. And now we practice good, and I believe, you know, if we practice like good, we will for sure show good basketball. And this is our home court, and now the all teams who come our home court, we need to fight, and you know, not like in Valencia, but to fight like we usually fight at home, and try to win. And it's no way for us. Just, you know, we need to think and concentrate, and just to think to win the game.